Bro, why in every horror movie do the characters hear a noise and decide to go investigate? Like, be so for real. If I hear a random bang downstairs at 2 a.m., I'm not going down to investigate. I'm grabbing a suitcase, jumping out the window, and starting a new life in Zimbabwe under a fake name. Because what are you even investigating? You think the killer's gonna politely explain himself? Oh, hey, yeah, sorry for breaking in. I just wanted to add some extra trauma to your life real quick. Like, bro, people in horror movies here come play with us from the attic and be like, huh, must be the wind. Then they go exploring and get brutally killed. Like, bro, you can literally not be this dumb. Like, when I'm home alone watching TikToks in bed and I hear the living room door creak, my soul literally drops down to my ass crack. I'm instantly scanning the room like, all right, what's the strongest object here? Next thing you know, I'm ready to go full attack mode with a table lamp. And no, bro, if I hear children screaming in the forest while camping, I'm not exploring with you just to get my ass snatched by the boogeyman. These characters are literal NPCs with no survival instincts. Like, it's a literal skill issue. Subscribe for a kiss.